Welcome to the Prove YouTube channel. This video is the biggest mistake website owners make after being hacked. It is part 3 in the WordPress security tactics series. After discovering a hacked WordPress website, most owners focus on fixing the visible damage as quickly as possible. They remove suspicious files, they reinstall WordPress, they restore backups, and for a short time, everything appears normal again. Unfortunately, this response represents the single biggest mistake made after a compromise because appearance and security are not the same thing. A website hack is rarely just malware placed on a page. It is an access event. Someone successfully entered your environment and established control. Modern attackers do not rely on one method of entry. They create redundancy. If one access point is removed, another quietly restores control. This is why many websites become reinfected days or weeks after cleanup. The attacker was never fully removed. The most common reaction is symptom cleanup. Website owners delete unfamiliar plugins. They replace modified themes. They reinstall core WordPress files. These actions remove what can be seen, but attackers frequently hide persistence mechanisms in places owners rarely examine: database entries, scheduled tasks, configuration files, hidden administrator accounts. Visible damage disappears while access remains. When persistence survives, reinfection looks like a new attack. In reality, it is automated re-entry. Backdoor scripts reconnect silently. Permissions allow files to be rewritten. Malicious users regain administrative control. The website owner believes security failed again, but investigation never reached the original cause. The correct response begins with one question: how did access occur? Until that question is answered, cleanup remains incomplete. Professional recovery focuses first on identifying entry points, privilege escalation, and persistence mechanisms. Only after access paths are removed should restoration begin. Security comes from understanding the compromise, not reacting to it. A clean-looking website does not guarantee a secure one. True recovery removes attacker capability, not just attacker artifacts. Slowing down at the beginning prevents repeated compromise later. The biggest mistake after a WordPress hack is fixing what is visible before understanding what is hidden. Investigation always comes before repair. Contact us through email or our site if you need more information.